The Toronto Blue Jays. I'm dropping you off at our observation level where you can access SkyPod if you already have it on your ticket or purchase a ticket for SkyPod. When you're ready to descend the tower, walk down one flight of stairs to the glass floor level and people will be there to pick you up. If anyone has any questions, let me know. Enjoy the view.
What? I know.
Can you see?
You have to see the bottom. Can't see the top.
Whoa.
So look at the water.
Lost.
That's the scary part.
The highest? Yeah.
Is
that the highest? Yeah. No, we're gonna go down. Oh.
And one last look down in the glass panels, folks. That's 114 building stories high.
Oh no.
Jump.
I'm not sure my weight will make that.
And watch your step. You should FaceTime her. She was so excited to see you, but she's not called there now. We all went there last night. My parents went. It was very nice.
Excuse me.
Dinner was awesome. No. But I had that big pop, which I forgot to
Sì, perché ci sono le sdraio, ma è un logo.
Okay. Invece di prendere il sole quindi non.
Se lo facevano su questo va bene. Comunque ci sono già delle mega costruzioni.
Uno alle 16:40 che arriva a Toronto a Union Station alle 17:50. No, sta ragionando il traffico che c'è, siamo venuti in treno. Non abbiamo messo niente. Sì.
Un'ora arrivato. Poi da questo